Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Akash Babar. Let's discuss our today's video topic, control statements. Firstly, we will discuss what is meant by control statements, what are the types of control statements, and discuss each type shortly. So we will discuss what is meant by control statements. Control statement it is used to control the block of code. In another words, control statement is a user to decision for a decision making. So we will discuss each types of control statements. First one is if, second one is if else, third one is nested if, fourth one is if else if ladder, and fifth one is switch statement. So we will discuss each and every one. First one is if statement. So if statement is used for a block of for a statement. If that statement is true, then if statement is executed. Our second is nested if. Nested if means in if statement another if statement is used. So that is called as nested if. If statement is true, then only it is then and then only nested if statement is executed. So our third type is if else. In that, firstly if statement. If statement is false, then else statement is executed. So that is if else statement. We will discuss now if else if ladder. In that, the block of statements are there. In that, only one that true statement is executed. If none of the statement is true, then else, that is last one statement is executed. So that's the flow of the if else if ladder. So there are multiple statements in that. Now we will see switch statement. In switch statement, there are multiple statements. In that multiple statements, only only whose statement is true, that is executed. So that's the switch statement. So all these types of control statements are used to make a decision. So if we are using multiple statements, and if you want to execute if you want to make a right decision in that statement, so that is the main use of control statements. So this is the all types of control statements. So that's all for today. Thank you.